Now this car's just come in part exchange. The gentleman bought from us a new generation Discovery 5. The man had had this vehicle from brand new. It's had a service plan. It's been fully serviced at a Land Rover dealer, so only had one owner. Carpathian Grey Discovery 5 HSE Luxury, the pinnacle for this car. Plus it's a facelifted car on a 68 plate, so different infotainment system inside. But as a luxury model goes, this car has everything, absolutely everything. 21-inch wheels, adaptive cruise, opening roof, rear entertainment, heated and cooled front seats, heated steering wheel, the list goes on and on and on. The car is an incredible buy, 45,000 miles, but when you've got a one owner car, the man's ordered the car from new from Land Rover, looked after it properly, that makes this car a great buy for its next owner. Whoever's looking for one of these Discovery 5s, wants a big 7-seater, wants something that's powerful, it's a 3-litre V6 engine, 306 brake horsepower, in the correct colour Carpathian Grey, doesn't get any better than this car we've got here. Full black styling package with black finisher at the back, black badges front and rear, black grille to the front, black finisher at the bottom. And then you've got the space element to these massive Discovery 5s with 7 seats, intelligent seat fold, electric everything in these luxury, so these seats all go down electrically. And it's just a great car. It's a great family car. It's quick. It's relatively good on fuel, but in a superb condition. This car is a one-off. The 21-inch diamond turned wheels look excellent against that coloured paint. Steps as well, keyless entry, it's got everything. But look at the interior. Windsor leather, black with ivory piping, then that rear entertainment with wireless headset. It's a big thing for people with families, and this car's got it. Heated rear seats, digital climate control for your rear passengers. We've also got Meridian surround sound, upgraded sound system. Note the roof rails as well. It's a real cracker. Look at the finishes, the wood finish inside. It's all pure luxury. Surround sound stereo, memory seats for driver and passenger, which are fully electric. The digital infotainment system, newer steering wheel with those ceramic controls on as well, because this is a facelifted model, like I say. And what a car it is. Lovely elevated driving position. I mean, I do love these cars. They're a big car. They give you everything you're going to want, and especially the newer one. So this car, as a facelifted model and an option, has a digital interface behind the steering wheel from the newer cars, which is lovely. You'll see on this side of the steering wheel, we've got adaptive cruise. We've also got heated steering wheel. This side, we've got the stereo and voice controls. It's an incredible car. Putting the car in reverse, you'll see we've got reversing camera. We've also got self park, which is lovely. And then the seat selections, cooled front seats, heated front seats, armrests, so it's a lovely driving position with these armrests. Air suspension, different driving modes for the car with the 4-wheel drive settings down here. Then this, I think this is a big feature for these cars because they don't all come with it. They don't even all come with sunroofs. But this one, as a luxury, has got dual sunroofs, rear passengers and front passengers, but the front one opens, tilts and slides. This car's got it all. It's got the ownership, it's got the history, it's got the condition, and it's got the spec. It won't last long because there's not many cars out there like this one, especially in premium Carpathian Grey Metallic. Cars going live on our website now. It's extremely great value for money. My name's Richard. Use my number on the screen. Give me a call about this car. Thanks for watching.